Southside boy with the business here, man. So look, I don't know what gonna happen in this vid. I don't know what the thumbnail gonna be now. I just know I gotta get a vid out, so get what we doing. Getting the vid out. You know what I'm saying? Got in sport mode, you know what I'm saying? If y'all be paying attention, I don't really drive in sport mode when I'm I be in my cousin mode all the time. You feel me? I don't really be driving in sport mode, but we gonna drive in sport mode for this bid. You know what I'm saying? A little early morning, little POV, man. You know what I'm saying? 7:30. You feel me? People just not getting up. Well, some people just not getting up. You know what I'm saying? Woo-doo, blase, and things of that nature. I'm debating on, like, cause if y'all know, I've been saying it in every vid. My birthday is next month, right? August is this Thursday, I think. So I'm trying to see, do I want to try to drop a vid every day leading up to my birthday? I don't know, but you feel me? If y'all watching this, let me know. Should I do a vid every day of August leading up to my birthday? My birthday is the 29th. So 29 straight videos. You feel me? Now, if y'all do want me to do that, y'all gotta help me out. Like, I'm gonna need vid ideas, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm not doing 29 POV drives. That's just gonna get boring. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I'm gonna switch it up, do this, do that. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But if y'all want me to do that, y'all let me know, like, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna make that happen, you know what I'm saying? If y'all do know, before I had got, like, my license suspended and all that stuff had happened, we had almost hit our watch hours, but I couldn't, you feel me, like, post or, like, do no vid, because I ain't have my car and all that stuff, so, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to hit my watch hours for my birthday. You feel me? I'm trying to get monetized for my birthday. That's my birthday present to me. And the other stuff that I'm about to do with my car. You know what I'm saying? What else? I'm trying to get everything out, because I don't want to yap y'all head up while I'm driving. You feel me? I know y'all just want to hear the car and stuff. I do appreciate y'all in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I see all y'all comments. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I wish the best to everybody that watch my vid, that comment on my vid. Even if you comment so negative, bro, I wish y'all the best, bro. Like, I hope y'all get everything that y'all aspire to get in life. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Everybody got to eat out here. You know what I'm saying? What I finna say? Yeah, I'll think of it later on. But yeah. Oh, I was talking about my watch hours. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit my watch hours and get monetized before my birthday. I'm at 2,000. I want to say 2,800 something. I think 2,870. Something like that. Yeah. I heard that pop. Oh my gosh, hold on. I know one vid would probably be going to look at a BMW X6. That's if they have one of them in my state. If they don't, then, you know, I mean, obviously I can't go look at it because I'm unless I go out, like, you feel me? Maybe like Bradville or something, but I highly doubt I'm gonna do that. But I'm pretty sure they got it. I'm gonna go look at one of them. I need to get over here. You know what I'm saying? Somebody said in the comments. I've been seeing them. They look. You feel me? They look kind of like a what is it? A AMG. The GLE. I don't know if it's the GLE or like a CLE. But the Mercedes truck that kind of look like that body style. Yeah, both of them look straight. And then I seen they got a Brabus. That Brabus is tough. No doubt. What? That what it be gonna be. I'm gonna just try to let y'all hear these pops. Hopefully y'all can hear them. I don't know if y'all can hear them. Like I can hear them. Well, obviously. But I'm gonna try to let y'all hear them. Yeah, they be loud, real. Like, y'all hear that? Oh my gosh. Boy, that is so like, what's the word? Pleasing. You feel me? I am gonna do another POV outside the whatchamacallit. I just gotta go and get the mic. And I'm gonna test it out. And then I'm gonna probably get like a stand that I can put right here so I don't gotta hold my phone up. So like it, you feel me? It'll be a better view. But I am gonna do another one of them vids. Seven minutes and I'm just yapping. Alright, I'm done talking, y'all. My bad, bro. Crackling rumble. I'ma just title it Insane Crackles and Pops. That what just came to my head. I know somebody gonna say, it didn't even pop Crackle. It did, but all the way there to the vid. Man. Excuse me. But I tried to hold it in. I ain't gonna lie. I hate people that drive like that. Like, somebody gotta move, cuz. Like, we all can't be riding beside each other like that. gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, alright, y'all. That gonna end today's video. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, turn on them post notifications and things of that nature. Hold on. Get y'all some more pops. Yes, sir. And with that being said, catch y'all boys in the next video, man.